Kum shibenta ban penklan ya kecing jingsumar ki ba kejala hak arpausan tarik urumpang menteri kekwat kakya James Sangma ula play perda ya kecing sedang jong ke negrims ya kawat kebaar jong ka ICMR STEMI Act Project hak kecing alang kebalalong hapain wood hotel Shillong. Hakani kecing sedang ya kene ke projek laya don lang Dr. Nalin Mehta, Director jong ke Negrims, ka Commissioner and Secretary jong katanat Health and Family Welfare, ka kong MN Nampoy, ka Secretary jong katanat Kakot Kakya, ka kong RM Kurba, DHSMI Dr. Amanwar bat kiwe-kiwe. Dr. Nalin Mehta ulapan pau bakani ke projek kadai ka bakerpang na kamentaban jingsumar ki badon ya ka heart attack ban yada ya ki na ka cingyap da ka bale ya ka clot buster lan ni ka thrombolytics ulong kani kadai ka projek ka baheb ha na marbon ki pat ba kim kot bor ban phat sumar na mar ba ka shongdor hadu arpo san hajar tangka ndrei menta ki pat ba kin yo ai ya kani ka jingsumar James Sangma habakran hakajalang ula kajing ro ek negrims kabalawan ra ek ne ka project sakajala Megalia bat kanyarap shibun hakaban ajing sumari ki bayo heart attack khamtam yakitu ki bawan na kilong ying ki batu Ulong kalong ru kajing song sarong bat ka ICMR kala jet ya negrims kum ka jaka pedeng ban pentrekam ya ka scheme hakajala kum ka klidu hakaba ndon rengkat langru ki Pratalik Hospital kajala ki bakin thup ya ka Civil Hospital Shillong ka Ganesh Das Government Maternity and Child Health Hospital ka Reed Provincial Chest Hospital ka Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital ka Nazareth Hospital Woodland Hospital Supercare Hospital bat ka Bethany Hospital.
This system has been given to us by ICMR, and indeed we are very, very fortunate that the hub for this region Negrins has been selected as the hub. And we are also very happy that 8 spokes will be part of this system of hub and spoke, and these 8 spokes will be the Civil Hospital of Shillong, the Ganesh Das Maternity and Child Hospital, the Reed Provincial Chest Hospital, the Dr. H. Gordon Robert Hospital, Nazareth Hospital, Woodland Hospital, Supercare Hospital and Bethany Hospital. These will be the spokes where these medicines will be available. The only thing which will be required is the uploading of the ECGs and the necessary diagnostics for reference to the cardiologist at Negrins.